Got the walk, man. Even though I'm talking about it, it's good. Go ahead.
I have no idea what he's talking about. Not a clue.
He doesn't either. Smells good in here.
It smells good in there.
Approach to treatment.
Yeah, I think it's more.
What's happening with your job and what the left is telling you, that we should put people in jail just because of the way they think, or that half should be arrested, or they are domestic terrorists. Gee, I wonder what could be making those poll numbers go down. American mortgage company that has been helping like you save money for over a quarter of a century. They're a family-owned business, a real part of what is good about this country and American financing. They're mortgage consultants. They're all salary-based, which means that the happier you are,